A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. First off, let me apologize if I sound weird. I'm really congested from all this cold weather. The way the weather changes in Texas always gets me, so I feel a little hoarse, so I apologize. We have a new one from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this one is called Spice Bot. What a fun hollow label that is. Beautiful. And of course, I did receive the splash as well. Thank you, Doug, Fran, and Hux for sending this to me for review. I appreciate it very much. Now, this one, I believe, will be releasing this weekend. Not sure. But let me go over it a bit. But first, the hardware. I am definitely using the Phoenix Shaving Cygnus in beautiful copper and chocolate. Now, I'm starting to get a bit of a patina on mine, which means I like shiny copper. I'm going to be giving this a polish pretty soon. I have it loaded with a 5th use Persona Gem DE blade. I'm still working on these to try to see how far I can take them, so I'm on the 5th use on this blade. And for the brush, I am using my favorite Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements brush, and that is the Moon STRYKER. Love this brush, 100%. Got that soaking right now, so let's go ahead and start lathering while I tell you a little bit about this. I'm going to be reading what Douglas Smythe has written on the sales blurb. All right, get ready to freak out, people. Scent profile of Spice Bot is top notes of grapefruit, pimento berries, black pepper, heart notes of lavender, cumin, saffron, warm aromatic spices, base notes of tobacco, labdanum, woody, amber, vanilla. We thought it was time to give Shave Cadets something they've been begging for years, just a little more extreme. Spice Bot, if you have not guessed already, is an homage to Spice Bomb Extreme. That's from Victor and Rolf, if you're not familiar. Built around an already bold, warm spice profile with more added depth and fragrance structure, it begins with the bright notes of grapefruit and cracked black pepper, with pimento berries, adding a sharp, spicy edge. The heart is aromatic and warming, blending lavender with cumin, saffron, and layered spices for a truly masculine feel. The base of this accord is deep and smooth, anchored by tobacco, labdanum, with woody amber and a light touch of vanilla to round things out. The result is a pretty epic, warm, grounded, and long-lasting without tipping into sweetness or excess. Spice Bot is so bloody wearable, familiar in spirit, and updated in execution. A solid choice for cooler weather evenings and anyone who prefers depth, warmth, and presence in a fragrance. In short, this really is one for the collection. You are going to love it. And I agree. Spice Bomb Extreme is a fantastic fragrance from Victor and Rolf. And I am very excited for this PAA version. And let me get my brush loaded here. And that should be plenty. Now, I have had this, I've had this set for a little over a week now. And it's been sitting on my desk in my office. And I have been sniffing this tub daily. Haven't even tried the splash yet. The tub smells so good. And I am a fan of Spice Bomb Extreme. I did recently get a new bottle, and I haven't compared the two, but I haven't had to because it smells so good off the puck already. Let me make a little room here. Let me get this out of the way. I need more shelves. All right, let's get the glasses off and the face wet. I have about 2.5 days growth. I'm ready for a very good, close face shave with the Cygnus. This is the shave I've been wanting to do with my personal Cygnus, get a full 2 days plus growth, and let's see how it does. Ooh, that water's cold. And the weather is cold. Now, cold for us, of course, guys. I know a lot of you have it a lot worse and colder, but it's been in the 20s and teens the past few days for us. Now, I did live in Kansas for 5 years, so I do know what real cold is. In the negatives, 100%. I remember the first time I left for work and saw the thermometer on the bank saying 3. I don't think I've ever seen single digits in my life until I lived up in Kansas. It was quite amusing, but I loved every minute of it. I was out shoveling my snow with a smile on my face every year, and my neighbors out there cussing because they were having to shovel, and I was loving every minute of it. Absolutely loving every minute of it. I miss the snow to this day. Now, had I grown up in it, yeah, I'd probably have a different aspect of it, but it was foreign to me coming from Texas and moving up there to Manhattan, Kansas in the Flint Hills, northeast Kansas. Wow, this smells so good. So I understand if you don't like the snow or you're tired of the snow, but I absolutely love it. The peaceful quiet of it, especially of a fresh blanket of snow in the middle of the night. Oh, this smells so good. Spice Bomb Extreme. I didn't really care for Spice Bomb, regular Spice Bomb, but Extreme, they did something incredible to it, and it's wonderful. And it's a fragrance that I can wear all the time. It's a daily wear for me. I just can't stop smiling. And this is giving me the exact same feeling. A little bit more water here. Oh, so good. Man, that is great lather. All right. Let's warm up this razor, and that's wonderful thing about copper is its heat retention. I'll let it under this hot water for a little longer than normal. Oh, beautiful. Here we go. Spice Spot with the Cygnus. Cannot wait. Hope everyone is staying warm, staying safe in this weather. We did have a lot of ice a few days ago. It's all pretty much clear now. Yeah, Monday I went to work. I probably shouldn't have, but I did. Only 3 of us made it in, my boss, myself, and one other. But roads were pretty bad. There was a point where I couldn't drive. More than 11 miles an hour because this one road was a very seldomly traveled road on my way to work. Didn't even have any ruts in the ice yet, so I had to take it easy. But a guy in a Toyota pickup came, the 2-lane road, no shoulder. Guy in a Toyota pickup was coming in the oncoming lane, flying around. It's a curvy road, a lot of S-curves, and no shoulder, small 2-lane farm road. And he comes around, and I'm like freaking out. Luckily, I'm only doing 11 miles an hour, so I've got a lot more control. And he loses it on the ice, spins in front of me, ends up in the ditch. He was okay, but he went head first into a pretty heavy tree line, damaged his truck pretty bad. Scared the you-know-what out of me. I thought he was going to take me out. And that's just down here in Texas on a little bit of ice. I do have experience driving in snow and ice, so that's why I was taking it easy. But a lot of us down here don't. Such a rare occurrence. Oh man, this is fantastic. Guys, you are going to love this one. Absolutely. All right, let's get the face wet. Go for the second pass. Whew, that's cold. I'm one of those that does not turn the heat on until the very last minute. It got fairly chilly in our house Sunday afternoon. I didn't really turn the heat on until it got really cold on. No, maybe it was Saturday. Maybe it was Saturday evening I did turn the heat on. But I waited a very long time before I did. I like to get every bit of that time without using the HVAC as long as I can. Save those pennies on the electric bill. All right. Now, I did not check before I came in here to make this video, but if you've been on the fence about picking up the Cygnus, this razor I'm using, I would say you might want to hurry. I don't think there are very many left, if any at all, right now. If you can afford it, I highly suggest picking one up. It's hard for me not to use this razor. I only had 2 razors like that, now, well, 4. I now have 3 razors, or 1, 2, 3. I now have 4. I had 3, yeah, if I can get my numbers right. Numbers are hard. If I can get my numbers right, I had 3, now this is 4. Of DE razors that I just want to reach for every shave. And they're all equally as good as each other. Okay, we are going for a third pass because this is just too good a shave. I am smelling amazing. Man, I could stop right now and be happy. But I want to take it all the way third pass. We need some water on this. Crazy thing about PAA, you can just keep building it and building it each pass if you want to. So good. Just keeps taking water. All right. and the final pass. Which has become my favorite pass with this razor because it is so freaking smooth. Never have any irritation on my neck with this razor. I don't know what the magic is. But it's definitely magic. Listen to that. It's all gone. A little bit right there. Gone. Something about this razor, I have yet to encounter any irritation no matter how much I buff or stay over a section. I have nicked myself a couple times, but they were because of imperfections in the skin, not because of the razor or blade. But it's just a fantastic autopilot almost for me, razor. Has a little more blade feel to be autopilot, but it is close. Alright, gonna get a rinse. Come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh, okay. Man, it smells good in here. Whew. Love it. Oh, it's so good. All right, time for the magic. Going for a Spice Spot splash. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Oh, that is so amazing. I need to try this side by side. Honestly, I think there's a few subtle differences, but man, I am in love with this. I will be completing this set 100%. You know what I'm really looking forward to on this one actually is a bath bar of this one. I am so looking for. I can only imagine a steamy shower with this fragrance. Oh, that is so good. Outstanding job, Doug, Fran, and Huxley. Space Bot is incredible. It is definitely highly recommended by me at Texan Shaves for you to grab this one if you're able to. I'm almost positive it'll be coming out this weekend. Just pay attention to Douglas Smythe's post. Normally gives you a heads up a little bit ahead of time what's coming. And if the Cygnus razor is still around and you've been on the fence, you might want to jump on it pretty soon. I think they're pretty much all gone almost, so check that out as well. That's all I got, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.